Quick recap from yesterday. We did these sort of questions yesterday as well. So today's lesson is all about sharing in a ratio with different sorts of questions. So I will just give you a few examples of almost every kind of question we have done in the last 2-3 lessons, and then we are going to do it together in one. Angie and Bob win some money and share it in the ratio 3:7. Bob gets 21. How much money did they win? So in this one, what is different about this question? The difference about this question from the typical like sharing in a ratio question is like you don't know the amount which has been shared between both of them. We know the share of one, but we don't know the actual full amount. But we also know that Angie has 3 parts and Bob has 7 parts. Also, we know that Bob gets 21 pounds. So it is not saying 21 pounds more. In total, he is getting 21 pounds. So 21 pounds, if Bob is getting 21 pounds and his share is 7 parts, that means 21 has been divided into 7 equal parts. So if we divide pound 21 into 7 parts, it can give me 1 part, which is equal to 3. 1 part is 3. So Ng, each box is now 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. There are 10 parts altogether. 10 times 3 is equal to 30. Another way of doing that was you can just write the ratio like this. Ng ratio Bob 3:7, because you don't have to draw these boxes all the time. So I know that Bob has got 21 pounds. That was just to show you. Then you think, what do you have to do to go from 7 to 21? I have to multiply this by 3. So I will do exact same on the other side. 3 times 3 is 9. And then what the question is asking you, how much money did they win? So you have to find out the total money. So what you will do is total will be equal to 21 plus 9. Both methods are correct. Whichever works better in your head is fine. I've shown you this method because we learned this when we were doing missing numbers. So you have done this when you were doing missing numbers. It is up to you whichever works better in your head. Prefer this method because this is straightforward. Again, do as whatever works for you best. So another question now. Angie and Bob and Claire share some sweets in the ratio 1:3:5. Claire gets 20 sweets. How many sweets did the group have to start with? How many more sweets did Bob get over Angie? So first I will start with the part A. Angie, Bob and Claire 1:3:5. So 1 box, 3 box, 5 boxes. Only information I have is that Claire has 20 sweets and Claire has 5 parts. So if 5 parts are worth 20 sweets, 1 part is equal to 4 sweets. How many sweets did the group have to start with? So that means you have to find out the total amount of sweets. So Claire had 20, Bob had 3 lots of 4, which is equal to 12, and this has 4. Altogether they had 20 plus 12 plus 4, 20 plus 12 is 32, 32 plus 4 is equal to 36. And then you have over Angie, that means part B will be equal to 12 minus 4, which is 8 sweets. Copy this example in your book.